we're just gonna take that play set right here, and we're gonna move it that way. It'll be right here.
Okay. And then what's going
Like this. What's going on, guys? It's the boys and daddy. We back again with another video.
It's gay.
My name's Ashton.
And today on this very shiny day,
We about to fix my playset.
we are working on Ashton's playset. As you can see, it is raggedy. He's had this thing for a very long time. So we are going to take this swing set right here, and we're gonna move it right there. But it's gonna be all new. So stay tuned over these next couple weeks for this rebuild of Ashton's playset.
Peace.
These guys.
Peace out.
That's
It's for what?
it. That's it.
For your playset? Yep, so we headed to Home Depot for Ashton's playset. Gotta pick up some wood, pick up some deck screws, pick up some material so that we can get his playset underway.
Going in the Home Depot.
So what's going on, guys? We are at Home Depot trying to find the right wood. Had to go find a one of those little carts, you know, that you put wood on. But you see, we out here practicing safety with this COVID going on. And that right, Gabe?
Yeah, that's right.
So we staying healthy, trying to do what we do, make these videos so we can get back to y'all.
Meanwhile,
Look at old man Jenkins. So, Dad, what we gonna go look for, man?
I don't know. What you gonna look for?
Some paint.
We need paint, Dad.
What we need paint for?
They do the hydro dip.
Do the hydro dipping. And also for your playset, buddy.
All these colors.
Let's make slash it.
All these colors.
It's these right here,
Ooh, fluorescent colors.
As you can see, guys, we're coming out the store. About to head home, make my brother's playset. Peace. See you guys when we get there.
What's going on, guys? We're back on day 2 of Ashton's playground rebuild.
While my dad was at work, guys, we went ahead and got everything spray painted to dismantle his old playset.
Yeah, because mine is rotten because it's over there right now because it's broke down.
We got it all looking kid colors like orange, blue, purple, white, red, green, yellow. You know, the primary and secondary colors.
Mm-hmm.
So with that, guys, we'll be right back.
What's going on, guys? We outside. We went ahead and got everything painted. As you can see right here, we got the
Flag, got the handle, got the swing tag, got the seat, and we got the steering wheel.
we got the climbing wall steps right there. And there's actually some part playset over there.
Yeah, because it's broken, so we gonna make a new one.
Now over there where the cement is, we got the swings going right there. And we're making a huge playground.
Huge playground. Well, here's a slide here that they got, that they've been working on all day diligently. So we're gonna get started back on the playset. So we got the uprights for the playset then. Yesterday evening, it got kind of late, so we stopped the video so we can get stuff cleaned up again, but we back at it today. So with that, guys, check us out. Daddy's not playing in the rain today.
Hello guys, welcome to my new playset.
So welcome to Ash's new playset. So we started working on remodeling his playset, and we got it painted a little bit. Got some more painting to do, but we kind of reinforced his old playset and painted it because the little pieces here were pretty good. So we decided to keep them. And also, we built a swing set over there with some hanging bars. We got a couple more things we want to do, like monkey bars and what else?
Some pull-up bars.
And a trampoline. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see the second part of Ash's rebuild to his playset, don't forget to
hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share these videos and leave a comment. Till next video, peace.